Hey, it's Tego Venturi, Venturi Realty Group of Keller Williams Realty in Albuquerque, New Mexico, looking at the April 2022 home sales data. And it's early May and just got these numbers in. Just wanted to share and give you an idea of what is going on here in the Albuquerque market. Some of the data is pretty extraordinary, to be honest with you. So let's take a look here. Now, this particular chart you can find right on our website at welcomehomeabq.com if you just come to market and latest market data. I figured, hey, I've already got this here. I don't need to recreate this chart. They're all here, but let's just kind of walk through it so you can see what we are seeing in the market. Number of closed sales down. This may actually increase a little bit. And let me just explain this real quick. We're looking at the Albuquerque MSA. So that's the entire metro Albuquerque area. And we're looking at, I've got this chart broken down by price ranges. So we have 250 and under, 250 to 250 to 4, 4 to 6, and 6 and above. And what we're seeing is a number of sales down about 18% versus April of last year. Not a surprise because of the low supply, and we'll look at that in just a moment. Higher priced homes, 600 and above. The luxury market in our market is actually up 38% this April versus last April. Also up in that 4 to 6 and just flat in that 250 to 400. And kind of needless to say, I guess, is, you start getting under 250,000, the number of sales declining, and that is not a demand problem. I'll tell you that. There are plenty of people out there that want to buy 250 and below, 300 and below homes. There's just very few of them on the market. So let's take a look at that. For sale, number of homes on the market down, oh my gosh, 29% from April of last year, which was down almost 52% from April of 2020, which of course 2020 was an odd year to say the least. But yeah, the number of homes on the market is very low. Now, it's not necessarily because the homes aren't coming on the market. So if we jump over, let me jump to this one first. New listings. These are the homes that came on the market in April. It's actually down from April of last year. However, it's holding steady. Now, April of 2020, again, we got to throw that one out. But the number of homes coming on the market is steady, but not as strong as we would like to see. Demand is still outpacing supply for sure. And if we look at the number of homes that went pending in April, was relatively strong, 1,250, again, down from last year, but still a lot of homes selling. The thing that's happening is the days on market. Let's take a look at that one. Median days on market. So, halfway between. So we... This is one of those breathtaking numbers. 3 days, median days on market for April of 2022. That means 50% of the homes were off the market within 3 days. A lot of homes are selling just immediately. If you look even at a week or more, a week or less, a lot of homes selling. Very few homes staying on the market very long. So if we look at the average days, we're now at 13 days, which again is very, very low. And then one thing here on supply, just last thing, month supply of inventory. This is the ratio between supply and demand. We are down to 0.6 months supply. A balanced market is considered 5 to 6 month supply. We're at 0.6 months supply. And you can see in that low price point, very, very low, like a week's worth of homes on the market before they're all gone. Pricing. Let's just talk about prices real quick. Price per square foot across all price ranges up 26%, 20.6% versus April of last year. And you can see it's really up across the board, all price ranges. And if we look at average price just across the board, this is a new all-time high, $377,000, and median price, again, another all-time high at $326,000. If you want to dive into this more, like I said, you can come to our website at welcomehomeabq.com, click on market. We're looking at the market data trends. I didn't show you this, but I'll show you, scroll down here. If you go down to the bottom, all those metrics we just looked at, the exact same things, but in a 12-month rolling. So if you want to get a better feel for what the long-term trend is, what's going on year over year, you can see that data right here. And I'll just leave with this one: average price per square foot up 18.4% in the last 12 months. Pretty amazing. Really, the price appreciation has been very extraordinary over the last few years. And at the moment, there's nothing that we see that's going to change that. We do hope we see more homes come on the market. Maybe the interest rates will actually bring demand down a little bit. We'll see. Right now, we're not seeing it. So if you're looking to sell, looking to buy, we're here to help. It's a treacherous real estate market right now, and we are familiar with navigating it if we can help. Thanks for watching.